Hello, my dearest friends. We're here at the peaceful ocean, and it's that time when our ocean pals need to sleep. Would you like to join me in this underwater adventure? Let's dive in and see who's still awake. Hello, sleepy starfish. After singing "Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star" all day, this little starfish is ready for some rest. Let's say goodnight and wish the starfish sweet dreams. Good night, starfish. Hi, Clownfish. These little ones have been playing tag with their underwater buddies all day. And now they're feeling oh so sleepy. Let's say goodnight to the clownfish and wish them the sweetest dreams. Good night, clownfish. Hi there, sleepy jellyfish. After practicing their dance moves all day, our jellyfish friend is ready for a good night's sleep. Let's say goodnight to the jellyfish and wish them peaceful dreams. Good night, jellyfish. Hi, Mr. Crab. He's been scuttling around the ocean floor all day. And now he's in need of a cozy bed. Let's assist in tucking the crab in and sending him warm wishes for a good night. Good night, crab. Meet our playful dolphin. She's been leaping through the waves, having a splashing time all day. And now she's ready to drift into dreamland. Let's say goodnight to the dolphin and send her off with sweet dreams. Good night, dolphin. Say hello to our sea lion friend. He's been frolicking and playing with his pals all day. And now he's starting to feel drowsy. Let's say goodnight to the sea lion and send him off to the most wonderful dreams. Good night, sea lion. Hi there, Mr. Shark. He's been keeping a watchful eye on the ocean's depths all day. And now it's his turn to rest. Let's help the shark get snug and comfortable as we wish him a good night. Good night, shark. Greetings to our turtle traveler. He's been cruising through the currents all day. And now it's time to close his eyes and drift into dreamland. Let's say goodnight to the turtle and wish him the sweetest dreams. Good night, turtle. Welcome, singing whale. She's been gracing us with beautiful songs throughout the day. And now it's her time to curl up and rest. Let's assist the whale in getting comfortable and say good night. Good night, whale. Thanks for being a wonderful friend and helping all the sea animals get tucked in for a peaceful night's sleep. They are now sound asleep and cozy. Now, it's your turn to close your eyes and embark on a sweet adventure in your dreams. Good night, little one. Sweet dreams, dear ocean. Good night, dear ocean.